it's me again, and I gotta stop because I forgot what this thing was called. So hold on a second. After doing my homework for 10 seconds, I remember what these are. I haven't even showed you yet, so these are from, guess where? Can you read the directions on there? From a country called China. This is probably made in China too. What are these, huh? What are these? I'll take this out of here and I'll show you. Anybody who's a machinist knows what these are. How come I don't? Well, I'm not a machinist. Ooh, lightning or thunder. Thunder coming down under. I got apparently how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece. I ordered, I don't know, about 10 things on Amazon. And you know what happens usually? I'm like, yes, I wanted these because I wanted to make something 3 weeks ago. And guess what happens? I wait 3 weeks for these. I know the anticipation's killing you, right? These are not wanting to open. That's what they are. Let's open this up again, and this is where I should probably use like a power tool, right? Get maybe a chainsaw to open this thing up. These are, no, I've never owned these before in my life. What are these? They're not coming out what they are. Oh, come on. What the frick is going on here? Come on. Come on. Question is how do I get them out without wrecking them? Come on. Out of the box. Oh, there we go. Pliers, maybe? Yeah, little tweezers. Where do we get them out of here? This one is like digging into the side. Ay, caramba. What is this? Not my day. I need something to get these out of here. I need something to get out of here. It's twisted in there. I don't want to screw it up. Come on, get out. I guess we have to go like this then. Pop a hole in the top. And push it out. What is this? These are counter bores. See? It's a counter bore for steel. High-speed steel counter bore where drills the pilot hole and goes down. Basically, so you can put a bolt in and have the little bolt head in there. So, if you want to drill it deep. And let's see if this one's stuck in there. This one's stuck. Oh, well, is that stuck? Oh boy, these are ugly as hell. They've been sitting on a shelf for 5 years. Sometimes you get some questionable quality crap. It's the first time I got stuff that looked kind of sloppy. Put that down there. This one looks brand new. Let's put this back in here, I guess. Is that where one was? Oh, what's the one in that? This one looks kind of crappy. Yeah, let's see. Let's check the other ones. This one, probably slice my finger open. This one looks nice and oiled. Nice and brand new. I see what they did though. They pushed, this is supposed to be in there and just stop where the pieces, and let's go like this. This one looks kind of funky. This one looks, oh, where is it? I don't know if you can see that. Not bad. It's clean. Sometimes you get stuff that's rusted and maybe been sitting in China for a couple of months. That one's nice. That one's nice and clean. No numbers written on it, no, just sloppy. This one. Yep, this one's nice and clean. Why did I buy a 7-piece set? Because why not? It was cheap. I'm only going to use them a couple of times, and why not? There's a little tiny one. So yeah, I bought myself a counterbore set. Was I going to spend $500 on a American-made set? I'm not rich yet, so maybe in my next life when I win the lottery, I'll get one of those. I think that was it. I think that was all I picked up for that. But I've been waiting for these because I need to drill some holes and do something, and I don't even remember what the hell it was for. So anyway, stay tuned to see this get used somewhere. Plus, I gotta wait till the new shop comes. So stay tuned. Adios, and enjoy the fun.